Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnXperts. Today we're going to dive into a fun and powerful tool, creating infographic-based video content using Canva. Infographics are a great way to present data and tell stories visually. Adding a video element makes them even more engaging. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or a business owner, this tutorial will show you how to turn your data into compelling visual narratives. So let's get started. Let's head over to canva.com and log into your account. And if you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free and easy to sign up to. Once you're in, just click Create a Design on the top right corner. Since we're focusing on video content today, let's search for video in the content bar, in the search bar. You'll see options like YouTube video, Instagram video, Facebook video, and more. Let's go with just the standard video option, PA, which is going to give us a blank canvas with a 1920 and 1080 pixel format, perfect for most platforms. All right, now we have our blank canvas set up. If you're excited to create some amazing infographics today, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to LearnXperts for more creative tutorials. So Canva has a fantastic selection of templates that can save you time and give you some design inspiration. On the left-hand side, let's click on Templates, and let's search for Infographic Video. You'll see a range of options pop up. Choose the one that fits the style or theme that you have in mind. So we would select a template that catches our eye, and we would click on it to add to the canvas. And don't worry if it's not perfect yet. We can customize every aspect of it. If you prefer to start from scratch, that's also a great option, and you can build your infographic from the ground up using elements, text, and shapes in Canva. All right, let's select this one, and let's apply the pages. So let's start with the background. If we click on the background area of the canvas, we can see options to change the color, add a background image, or we can also delete the background. Let's choose a color that complements the brand or the theme. So to change the color, you may simply go to this color swatch tool here, and you would have a list of, or you would have a palette for all the colors available, and you can also make gradients for your design. To create a gradient, you can simply click on this, and there are different gradient colors you can choose from. You can drag and drop the gradient colors if you wish. So if we add a color here and say, let's put in a light blue color, then that gradient will be followed. You can also change the sequence of how the colors appear, like so. Now you can also change the way the gradient flows, like this, this, or this, or this. All right, once you're happy with that, you can simply go out of the screen, and there we go. And we can also then change the images, or we can upload our own from Canva's extensive library of stock photos. Now let's customize the text. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, so you can really get creative here. If you want to add more text, just go to the text tab on the left, and we can also choose a heading, a subheading, or a body text. In this case, let's change the font to this one. And there's a cool tool here on Canva to change all of the fonts that have been replaced. So if you want to replace all the Poppins font to this IBM font, you can simply click Change All, and that is going to appear right away. However, you may need to update the spacing and whatnot for the font because there are some predefined areas here that need some work. Like so. So infographics are all about visuals. So let's add some icons and illustrations. So let's create a new page by just clicking this plus icon. There we go. And let's add some icons and illustrations. And to do that, let's go to the Elements tab. Now we can search for icons, shapes, illustrations, etc. We can also go into the graphs or the charts to put in an infographic for a specific set of data. So let's type in social media here, and we'll find a range of icons related to this topic. We can go to the graphics option here and drag and drop the options or the icons on the canvas and position them where they fit best. So let's just select this one. There we go. Now, customizing your infographic is where you really let your creativity shine. Now, let's focus on the content here. Let's say we have a social media percentage platform usage. So let me just pull the data up, and Let's put in a text here, and I'll put in a body text where we can put in the details. There we go. So let's create a pie chart where we have the social media platform usage. So to do a pie chart, let's go to the elements, and let's go back to the main page here under elements and select a chart. So you have all of these options. We have a pie chart, a donut chart, an area chart, etc. So let's just select this pie chart first. And we're going to use these statistics to describe or to be presented in this pie chart. So let's go with item 1, and let's call it Facebook, and so forth. So YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and other. Now we can put in the percentages here. So I'll type in 29. We'll just follow this pieces of information. And as you can see, the pie chart is adjusting to the total percentage here as we create the data. There we go. Now we can also change the color if we want to match the social media or the subject topic. So let's go with a blue font here, or sorry, with a blue color for Facebook. Let's go with that. And, oh, sorry about that. Let's go with a red color for YouTube. And for Instagram, let's go with a purple color. For TikTok, let's go with a cyan color. And Twitter, right now it's called X. Let's go with this black color. And for other, let's just go with a gray color. There we go. So now it's more representative of the social media platform. So you can animate this by going to, let's just move this part here. So we can animate this by going to animate and just select anyone here. So let's try wipe. There we go. We have also blur, fade, baseline. Yeah. Let's try this one. And let's just change the fonts here to color to white and do that. All right. Now, let's now create a line graph. So let's do another slide. And a line chart is available also here. So let's do line chart with the following details. So depending on the information that you want to show on your infographic, there are specific and appropriate ways to show the information visually. So here, let's do a line chart so that we can compare the year-over-year growth of social media users. So here on the labels, let's type in the year. So 2019, 20, 21, 23. Right, and then on the series, this is where we would put in the quantity. So I'll go with 3.5, 3.8. So it doesn't allow for a decimal point. So let's just multiply this by 10, everything here. So let's go with 35, 38, 41, 43, 45. All right, so that looks like just a straight line. So let's just do some dramatic drops here. So I'll just do with 29 and 32. There we go. And then on 2023, let's go with 52. There we go. All right. So this is now your line graph. Let's animate this and select something that will be more appropriate. So let's go with this pan. All right. We can also create statistics that look like little icons or images. So that is called a pictogram. So to do that, let's go back to elements and let's find infographic charts here. So we have the pictogram, the bar graph, this semicircle, this donut, and also this gauge. So I'm going to select a pictogram and we're going to put in the details here. So we can set the total items, let's say 100. There we go. And the filled items under 100, let's go with 84. And the spacing, let's just increase this by a couple lines. So let's do 10. There we go. Okay, so you may want to add a bit more contrast to what is filled and what is not filled. So we'll just change the color here. I'll put in a gray color, and this one will stay as is. So now, this pictogram may represent, how many users or how many social media users in every 100, in a group of 100 people, there's 84 out of 100 would be social media users. You can also change the icon if you want. So we can do a star, this piece of corn, if it's more of a agricultural design, this light bulb, and so many more. So there's so many things that you can make with this pictogram. Let's do this one. And now let's animate this. So animate, and let's do blur, like that, baseline, breathe, fade, etc. There we go. So let's just say 84 out of 100 are social media users. All right. So because this is a video, we can also make use of the background being a video itself. So by going to Elements, and let's also search for videos here under videos, and let's find social media. Social media. Go. And let's just replace the background by dragging and dropping this. It's really that simple. And click Replace Background. Right. And let's just edit this so that there's a bit of dark gradients in the background. So let's look for black gradient. There we go. And that bit at the back. And I'm gonna rotate this by dragging this rotating tool to 90 degrees. There we go. And let's just increase the size here. There we go. Great. Let's just put in some effects here, put in a background, change some settings, and we're done. All right. So let's see how this video pans out. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to click on this play icon. So this is going to be what the final design or the final video would look like. So I'll click on this. There we go. So as you can see here, we did just some minimal changes, and we already have some infographics on this video. And it's a really easy way to digest the information with these infographics. As you can see here, we have a video of people using their smartphones with a statistic of how many people are on social media based on this piece of information. So by using Canva's tools for creating infographics and other information and other available elements, we can really get our message across very efficiently and very quickly for users to digest. So you can add your music, your voiceover, to make it even more captivating. We can add some background music here. So we can integrate some apps here that have music. So we can select this and add that over to our design. We can drop the music here. It's really simple drag and drop interface. And we should be able to sync the music if we want. So we can also adjust the music volume by just clicking this adjust button, or audio effects. There we go. We can fade it in and out, and we can change the volume here. So let's do Just 8% is fine. There we go. So make sure everything flows smoothly and the timing is just right. Adjust elements that need fine-tuning, and once you're happy with the result, it's time to export your video. Let's click on the share button, and we can click on the download button here. We can choose then the MP4 video to keep the animations and audio intact. Let's click download, and Canva will process the video. Depending on the complexity, it may take a few moments, but it is downloading now, so we should be able to get that in a few seconds. And yeah, there you have it. We have our own infographic-based video content ready to share. You can use this on social media, in presentations, or anywhere you need to engage your audience with compelling visual content. So wasn't that easy? With Canva, creating engaging infographic-based video content is a breeze, even if you have no prior design experience. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and let me know what kind of infographic you'll be creating. And don't forget to subscribe to LearnXpert for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.